Hi everyone. So it's the end of week one, and I was thinking that it will be a good opportunity for us to have a conversation about how was it. So if you want to share your experience, you can comment below and let us know how was it. I feel like we all can learn um, from everyone experiences. So yeah, let us know how was it, how did you feel, how many days you were able to do it, if you were able to do it all the week or not, and you can even share the book that you are reading. Also, that would be really interesting to see the book that you are reading and how do you feel about it? How do you feel about this whole experience that we are just starting? Yeah, let us know below, and I'll be more than happy to read all of your comments. Bye. See you on week 2.